Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Wednesday, July 16. And like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hey David, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad, just need this coffee to wake up. Busy day ahead.
Same here. Got a big meeting later today.
Oh, meetings always fun. Hey, did you hear about the new tariffs?
Tariffs? What's that about?
Yeah, I saw on the news. President Trump is putting 30% tariffs on Mexico and the European Union.
Really? That's a big number.
Yep, 30%. It's gonna make stuff more expensive for us in sales.
True. It could change a lot of projects too.
I know, right? My clients are already asking questions.
I wonder how it will affect our budget. We buy a lot from Europe.
Exactly. More money out of our pockets.
Let's hope they fix it soon. It's not good for business.
Yeah, fingers crossed. I don't want to explain price hikes all day.
I get it. It's tough to plan with so much change.
Totally. I just want things to stay simple for once.
Me too. But change is part of the job, I guess.
True. Hey, speaking of news, did you see that tech thing?
What tech thing? Tell me.
Nvidia, the big tech company, hit $4 trillion in market value first time ever.
Wow, 4 trillion? That's huge.
Crazy, right? They make chips for computers and stuff.
Yes, I know them. We use their tech in some projects.
Really? So this is good news for you.
Maybe. Better tech means better tools for us.
Nice. I just hope my laptop doesn't cost $4 trillion now.
Let's hope not. But tech is moving fast.
Too fast sometimes. I can't keep up with all these updates.
Same. But it's exciting to see what's next.
True. I wonder if they'll make something cool for us regular folks.
Probably. Tech always finds a way to surprise us.
Yeah, like phones did years ago. Now they're everything.
Right. Tech changes how we work every day.
Speaking of change, did you hear about that big music festival?
A music festival? Where?
In the UK. They say over 100,000 people are going.
100,000? That's a lot of people.
Yeah, huge crowd. I bet the music is awesome.
I love music festivals. They bring people together.
Totally. I wish I could go, but too much work.
Same here. Maybe next year we plan a trip?
Deal. Let's save some money for it.
Yes, it's a good goal. I miss live music.
Me too. Nothing beats a good concert.
Right. It's all about the energy there.
Yep. 100,000 people singing together. Can you imagine?
Sounds amazing. I'd love to see the bands.
Same. Hey, what kind of music do you like?
I like pop and rock. How about you?
I'm more into rock, old school stuff.
Nice. We should share some songs later.
For sure. Maybe during lunch break.
Sounds good. I'll bring my playlist.
Cool. Hey, I'm always looking for new tunes.
Me too. Music helps me relax after work.
Oh yeah, after a long day, it's the best.
Totally. It takes the stress away.
Speaking of stress, I got a big sales report due.
I feel you. My project deadline is close too.
Oh, deadlines, they never stop, do they?
Nope, but we'll get through it.
Yeah, one coffee at a time.
Haha, exactly. This coffee is my best friend.
Mine too. Can't start the day without it.
Same. It's like fuel for the brain.
Hey, did you try the new coffee flavor here?
Not yet. Is it good?
It's okay. A bit sweet for me.
I like sweet coffee. I'll try it tomorrow.
Cool. Let me know what you think.
I will. Hey, back to those tariffs. You think prices will go up soon?
Probably. I'm already telling clients to expect it.
That's smart. I need to check with my team too.
Yeah, better to be ready. No surprises.
Right? Planning is everything in my job.
Same in sales. Gotta stay ahead.
Hey, about that tech news Nvidia at 4 trillion. It's wild.
I know. Makes me want to buy their stock.
Huh. Do you have 4 trillion to spare?
Not yet. Maybe after my next bonus.
Good luck with that. I'll stick to saving.
Smart move. I'm bad at saving.
It's hard, but little by little it adds up.
True. I should start putting some money aside.
Yes, even small amounts help. Start with $10 a week.
Good idea. I'll try that.
Let me know how it goes. Saving feels good.
Will do. Hey, that festival, 100,000 people, still blows my mind.
Me too. I wonder what bands are playing.
Probably big names. Gotta be with that crowd.
Yeah, I'll look it up later on my phone.
Let me know if you find out. I'm curious.
I will. Maybe we can watch some clips online.
Nice idea. Better than nothing, right?
Right? It's the next best thing.
Totally. I remember watching concert videos as a kid.
Me too. It's fun to see the crowd.
Yeah, all 100,000 jumping around. So cool.
I know. It's like a big party.
Hey, speaking of parties, any office events coming up?
Not sure. I think there's a team lunch soon.
Oh, nice. Free food is always good.
Yes. I never say no to that.
Me neither. I hope it's pizza.
I'm okay with anything. Just no more work for an hour.
Exactly. A break is a break.
Right. We need it with all this work.
So true. Hey, back to tariffs, you think it'll last long?
Hard to say. Maybe they'll talk and fix it.
I hope so. I don't want angry clients.
Same. It's stress we don't need.
Yep. Let's keep an eye on the news.
Good plan. I'll check updates later.
Cool. Hey, about Nvidia, you think they'll keep growing?
Probably. Tech like theirs is the future.
Wow, 4 trillion already. What's next 5?
Maybe. They're leading the way?
Crazy. I should learn more about tech.
It's useful. Helps with work too.
True. Maybe I'll ask you for tips.
Sure, I'm happy to help.
Thanks. Hey, I gotta run. Got a client call soon.
Okay, me too. I have that meeting.
Catch you later then. Have a good one.
You too, David? See you at lunch maybe?
Sounds good. Take it easy.
You too? Good luck with that call.
Thanks, I'll need it. Huh?
Huh, you'll be fine. See you soon?
Later, Alex. Don't work too hard.
I'll try not to. Have a great day.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.